The woman facing charges in connection with the death of Jennifer Dulos is now going to trial.
Jury selection in the trial of Michelle Troconis got underway today. This case, of course, gained international attention when it happened. Here are 3 things to know as this trial begins. Jennifer Dulos, a New Canaan mother of 5, went missing on May 24th, 2019, and was last seen dropping off her children at school.
Jennifer and her estranged husband, Fotis Dulos, were going through a lengthy divorce and custody battle at the time. He was eventually charged with murder and kidnapping, but never faced those charges. He tried to commit suicide inside his Farmington home in January of 2020 and died 2 days later before the case could go to trial.
Fotis' former girlfriend, Michelle Troconis, and his former attorney, Kent Mawhinney, were charged with conspiracy to commit murder, and now more than 4 years later, Troconis is going to trial.
Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland was inside Stamford Superior Court earlier today with Michelle Troconis, and that is where he's joining us live right now with the very latest tonight here. Matt?
Well, Mark and Aaron, of the initial batch of potential jurors, 30 people who were inside the courtroom today, prosecution, defense, they actually agreed on 2 jurors. They've also excused 18, but they're looking for 6 jurors, 6 alternates. This is going to take some time, and we're told the evidence and testimony portion of this trial, it will start early next year.
We're going to go through the process like I do in any other case and try to find objective people to sit as jurors.
And with all the news coverage this case has attracted, attorney John Schoenhorn, who represents Michelle Troconis, feels that it could take some time.
This is going to be a slow process. It seems that a lot of people have opinions.
Troconis is charged with conspiracy to commit murder, tampering with evidence, and hindering prosecution in connection to the May 2019 disappearance of Jennifer Dulos. The day of the disappearance, police say Troconis and her then-boyfriend and Dulos' estranged husband, Fotis Dulos, could be seen on video in Hartford throwing out garbage bags allegedly containing evidence. In January of 2020, Dulos was charged with murder, but killed himself before ever going to trial. Of the first 30 potential jurors in the case, they were each first given a packet of pages listing names of dozens of potential witnesses who could be called to see if they knew anyone. They quickly were able to excuse 13 based on child care issues, scheduled vacations, upcoming surgeries, or financial hardships. Then, working through those remaining in the jury pool, both the prosecution and the defense questioned them one by one, but not before the judge first asked each 5 questions. Have you heard about this case? Do you regularly follow media reports about this case? Have you posted anything to social media about this case? Have you formed an opinion about the defendant's innocence or guilt? And can you follow the court's instructions not to follow media reports or talk about this case?
I'm sure there will be some people who don't follow the news at all and don't follow it on social media, but like I said, it's too early in the process to know where this is all headed.
Again, 2 jurors seated on day 1 of jury selection. Still need to pick 4 more along with 6 alternates. The evidence portion of the trial, that will begin on January 8th, and the judge says it's expected to run 6 weeks. We're live at the mobile newsroom in Stamford. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Matt, thank you.